Okay, so right now I'm looking up the address for Ikea. I'm at Safeway right now. Okay, so right now I'm going to Ikea. I'm gonna be getting my kitchen cart today for my craft supplies. So that should be fun. Yeah. I have my GPS here and I don't have a holder, so I'm trying to find a place to put it. So I'm hoping to do a vlog today in Ikea, but I've never done it before, so hopefully it won't be too hard or too weird for people while I'm shopping. Whoa, too many hills. Seattle's full of so many hills. Crazy. Almost like a roller coaster. I want my camera to slide. Where am I at?
Drive 1.8 miles, then turn left.
Oh. It's coming up soon. First Street, yeah. 41st Street is the street I'm looking for.
Arriving at destination on right.
Ooh, but where do I turn in? Man, that's a big place. Right here? I think that's oh no, it's not. Okay. Customer parking. Where do I park? Can I turn this way? Yep, I can. Jeez, this place is huge. Okay, let's find a parking spot. Oh my goodness. This is kind of overwhelming. This place is huge. I have to find another parking spot because these people are like taking forever to get out. Oh, someone just came out. This is fun, right? Can I park there? I believe I can. Okay, so I'm parked. Okay, so I finally arrived at Ikea. This place is huge so far. Yeah, I have to put away my GPS because you don't want to leave that out. Okay, so I'm about to go in now. I'm just gonna say bye to you guys for now. I hope I will see you guys inside the store, but no. Okay, so while I was in there, I kind of chickened out to bring my camera out because there are a lot of people in there. So it is now 9 o'clock. I was in there for about, what time did I get here? I think I got here at 5. So I was in there for 4 hours. It is pretty much, it's almost dark. Sun's already down, so it's almost dark. Yeah, I was in there for 4 hours and I spent pretty much all of my money because I totally forgot about how much tax would be. I have a long drive home and it's already dark, so I won't be recording on the way home, but I'm gonna try to do some more vlogging over the weekend just because I wasn't able to do that much today. Okay, so I will see you guys probably tomorrow or something. Tomorrow's Saturday, so I might see you guys tomorrow. I'm probably gonna do a weekend vlog just. Okay, so my room is pretty messy right now, but I just want to give you a quick update. This is one of the items that I bought from Ikea. This was my main reason for going there. I'm not going to go through this now because I probably will go through a whole craft tour later. But I set this up last night. It has all my Project Life stuff. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. And here's all the stuff I bought from Ikea yesterday. There's a bunch of stuff for me to go through. Okay, so there is that, and you guys will be seeing this soon. So today is Mother's Day. Right now I'm outside. My parents are playing bingo along with my aunt and uncle. So I'm here babysitting our dogs and their dogs. And so I have 4 dogs here. Look at these crazy kids just playing over there. They're just, yeah, this is what they do. I did my spray painting earlier, which I will be posting my video for that later. Yeah, so I did spray painting earlier, and yeah, right now I'm just bored. I have some more organizing to do, but you know, I need a little break from that stuff. These dogs are really loud. Look at them. Crazy over here. That one's Sammy. Hi, Sam. Okay, so this one is my dog. This one is my dog, Sammy. My dogs are girls. My aunt's dogs are boys. The black one's Bo Bear. The brown one's Hershey. And the little doggy over here. Where is he at? Right there. That is Red. So this is a little sample of what it looks like. There's that. And then I also did my rod right there. Yeah, so there's that. This is from Ikea. The rod was from Ikea. And the door handles and hinges are from Lowe's. Yeah. So there's all of that.